It's me, Blippi! And do you like donuts? Yeah, I do too, but I only eat donuts after I eat a nice big healthy meal. But today, you and I get to draw a donut. All right, let's first take this brown marker and draw a big circle. There we go, just like that. And let's draw a smaller circle on the inside. Now it looks like you can hold that donut, huh? Om nom nom nom. But it doesn't look tasty without frosting, right? I know. I should probably take my pink marker and then draw some frosting right there. Whoa, now that looks tasty, right? I know. But what will make it even tastier is sprinkles. So let me take this purple marker and make some sprinkles. There we go. Wow, pink frosting and purple sprinkles. Whoa, now that looks like a yummy donut. Whoa, if you like donuts and you love drawing with me and you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Me too. I love looking at spooky houses decorated for Halloween. Wow, look at all the jack-o'-lanterns. Let's go check it out.
Hi, Blippi!
Yikes! Oh, hello, Mr. Pumpkin. You scared me.
You're welcome, Blippi. I love to be scared. It's fun.
It is? I wonder, is it really fun to be scared?
Only one way to find out. Let's have a scare contest.
Okay, let's do it. Yikes!
Score 1 for Team Pumpkin.
Team? I don't see anyone else. Yikes! Oh, hi again, Bones.
That's 2 points for Team Pumpkin. Come on, Bones. Let's plan our next scare.
We have to come up with a good scare, Debo. What can we do? I have an idea. I'll wear this mask and stand on your shoulders while you howl. Let's go.
This is gonna be good.
Ooh. Score 1 for Team Blippi.
You got us good, Blippi.
Yeah! Nice work, Debo! Whoa! 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 Cool! A secret hallway?
Oh boy, this is really going to scare them.
Boo!
That's 2 points for Team Blippi. The next team to score a point is the winner!
Yeah! Hold on, Debo. I have an idea. Let's hide in that cauldron and jump out and scare Mr. Pumpkin and Bones.
Hey, Bones! Let's hide in that cauldron and jump out to scare Blippi and Debo!
Thanks!
I guess it's a tie.
All right! Halloween is the best! But I still don't know the answer to my question. Is it really fun to be scared?
Yeah!
All right, upload answer, Debo. Thanks for an awesome scare contest, Mr. Pumpkin. I had a lot of fun.
No problem, Blippi. I had a lot of fun, too.